everybody, welcome to another video on the 67 Stang channel. So today is the second anniversary of the first start of this car from when it sat in my dad's garage for over 22 years. So in honor of that anniversary, I thought we would do a quick little video and start her up. How's that? So jump in here and do that. Hopefully she starts. There we go. We started her right up. So that's a big accomplishment. Is she had been sitting in the garage. Now it's 2 years since we got her started. Very excited. So look forward to this weekend. A couple of videos to come out. One detailing all the work we've done over the last 2 years. And one's a little photo montage going from where we started to where we are now. But just to keep things a little interesting, let's go ahead and pop the hood, take a look underneath, and listen to that engine burn. Right? Listen to her run. I tell you, 2 years ago, just hearing that engine run again after 22 years was like music to my ears. Running out pretty good. See all the wiring stuff we've done. Very excited. Go back and listen to her at the exhaust. Get you put back up here on the tripod. There you go, cranked, the anniversary of her first crank 2 years ago. Like I said, don't forget those videos that are coming out this weekend on the channel. Hope you like those, enjoy those. Don't forget to check out the merch store, put these in the description below. So you get you a nice 67 Stangs t-shirt, sweatshirt, coffee mug, whatever. Okay, guys, I'm very excited. Hard to believe it's been 2 years, and I'll see you all in the next video.